front. It is 81 degrees at Hopkins Airport right now. Akron Fulton coming in at 85. It's definitely a nice summer afternoon for sure. Temperatures should be in the low to mid 80s this time of year, right? Dew points, we crept up here from the 50s. Some of us still in the 50s right now, but notice Cleveland at 65. When dew point temperatures reach the mid to upper 60s, that's when you step outside and you notice it's a little sticky out there. And when it gets to the upper 60s to around 70, that's when we start talking about heat index, what it feels like. Fortunately, right now, I'm not going to show you that graphic. It's not that bad. As far as temperatures go through the remainder of the evening hours, we're in the upper 70s as we head towards 10 o'clock, low 70s, and eventually we'll drop back into the 60s tonight. Low 60s, what I'm forecasting for. Here's the clouds that are starting to stream on in the area. We did see full sunshine and still seeing full sunshine out on the east side. However, these are some high thin clouds, not expecting showers or storms to form. Those now just right along the periphery of the Ohio River Valley here from West Virginia over towards Pennsylvania and portions of Kentucky. Here's what's going on. High pressure is our friend. This is what's kept us dry and kept the clouds away for the most part. This is now moving to the east, so clouds starting to stream in, and we do have that front that is still sitting just to the south of us. You might notice these showers and thunderstorms starting to form here in portions of Wisconsin. This is ahead of a cold front. That cold front will be our next weather maker, bringing us some showers and thunderstorms on Friday. 70-degree our water temperature, waves 2 feet or less this evening. Same thing tomorrow, so really not too bad out on our waters. Partly cloudy tonight, 63 degrees. Watch out for areas of fog to start off early tomorrow morning. Otherwise, that fog should burn up. I'm not expecting anything dense. 85 degrees tomorrow, a warm and humid one. Isolated storms not out of the question. It's about a 10 to 20% chance, so I wouldn't rain on your parade, that's for sure. Hour by hour here through noon, you'll notice clouds winning out through the afternoon. There's those isolated showers and thunderstorms, mainly eastern areas and southern spots could see that. So northern tier, northwestern areas, you're fine throughout the whole entire day. We clear out. We'll start off the day on Friday with some sunshine, but then as we head afternoon, that's when we'll see some of these pop-up showers and thunderstorms form, and then the actual cold front itself will be zooming on in late afternoon, evening time frame. We'll watch out for potential for maybe some strong to severe storms as we head into Friday afternoon, evening. But it gets out of here Saturday and Sunday.
I would ask, actually. Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
You have some good news in the forecast, right? Things are looking
do.
good for us.
Yeah, if you're a fan of the summer heat, it's back. Some of us right now in the mid 80s, the humidity back as well. But of course, heat and humidity means some pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Not tonight, though. So yes, we'll have.
So we're good for the game.
Exactly. It's not the one that's coming. It's not coming on a day that you really would like thunderstorms to come. But
as long as it's not Friday, because I'm golfing on Friday.
We had the 4th of July. Exactly. Well, we are golfing on Friday, and it's going to be. We're going to get it in before the storms come, let me tell you. All right, let's take a look at your 8-hour forecast. Maybe if you're deciding to play 9 holes in the next hour, we have temperatures in the 70s. Quite nice, not bad. A mix of sun and clouds. We do have some high clouds starting to push into our region. We do have showers and thunderstorms all around us right now, but the good news is I'm not forecasting rain or thunderstorms for us through the night tonight. So if you're heading to the Indians game, not a problem. In fact, it's going to be a great night to be at the ballpark. Let's take a look at Stormbox right now, and as you can see, not a lot going on. We do have those high clouds streaming in from time to time. Otherwise, the activity well to the south of us, the stationary front, well, it's doing just that. It's staying put, keeping the showers and storms away. This high pressure is our system. It has kept us dry with lots of sunshine, but as it moves to the east, it's going to allow this to finally move in our direction. In fact, cold front actually extends from Wisconsin down into portions of Iowa, and that is going to be moving in our region today. So I do want to take hour by hour here, remainder of evening hours, and we're looking good. I do expect those high clouds, though, to continue through most of the evening. Now, tomorrow, unfortunately, clouds are going to win out. So you're going to think, okay, it just might rain. However, the bulk of the rain is going to stay south of us. I can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm in our extreme southern communities. You're seeing it in Coshocton and Holmes County at this point, and mainly in our eastern areas right along the border. There is that shot. It's about a 10 to 20% chance. Most of us, though, will stay dry. We clear out a bit as we head into into Thursday and early Friday morning, but then notice this, the clouds start to come back, and 3 o'clock in the afternoon, these showers and storms will start to fire along a cold front. So the front itself will be moving in during the evening time frame. So late afternoon, evening hours is when I'm expecting some showers and thunderstorms. I know it's your Friday night, but we were spoiled with 4th of July, right? 81 degrees in Cleveland. It's 86 in Columbus. We are in this warmer trend here for the next couple of days. Tonight, not bad, but you're really going to notice the humidity. It's going to be a muggy one tonight. 63 degrees with winds going light. Watch out for patchy fog early tomorrow morning. And speaking of tomorrow, we're right back up into the mid-80s. Heat and humidity around, more in the way of clouds and sunshine, and of course that isolated shower storm a possibility. Winds not bad though. They're light and variable. Out on our waters, 2 feet or less. Water temperature coming in at 70 degrees. Here's a look at your 8-day forecast. There's the rain on Friday, but look at this. It clears out for the weekend. If you're not a fan of the big heat, we have some pleasant temperatures on tap for us. 70s this weekend with lots of sunshine, then more showers and thunderstorms. 70s Hopkins, but take a look. You take a trip inland and we're warmer than that. How about Akron, Fulton? You're at 86 at the moment, 81 in Ravenna. We do have winds coming in out of the north and our water temperature is 70 degrees. So those along the lake, that's why right now you're in the 70s compared to those well inland. Now Dew Point, you probably noticed a little bit of a difference as far as humidity goes this afternoon. Starting to creep up into the lower 60s. When we get there, you notice it's definitely a little sticky out. When it's in the upper 60s to right around 70, that's when it feels a little oppressive. And the good news is I'm not expecting that, but you'll just notice the humidity around over the next couple of days. As far as your 8-hour forecast goes, we're headed into the low 70s just before midnight, and then finally in the upper 60s, partly cloudy sky, not tracking any showers or storms this evening. So go ahead, enjoy a nice dinner out on the patio tonight. 82 degrees our high today, just a degree shy of 83, where we should be for this time of year. Sunset this evening is at 9:04. On Storm Fox, nothing going on in our immediate area. However, just to the south of us, showers and thunderstorms popping along the Ohio River Valley. We do have the system that is stagnant there. The stationary front has stayed there for the last 48 hours. This is our system, high pressure, pushing to the east, allowing for the clouds to unfortunately filter back in. But there's those high wispy clouds, so I'm sure that you're going to see some gorgeous sunsets tonight. There is a front just to the west of us. I failed to show you that there. And that's going to be moved in on Friday. It's going to take its time getting here. So 63 degrees tonight, partly cloudy. Watch out for areas of fog in the morning. Not expecting dense fog, but it could be a slow go in some spots. It will be a muggy night tonight. Very humid tomorrow, 85 tomorrow afternoon. Isolated storms could be an issue for our eastern and southern areas. Winds light and variable. So here I want to take you hour by hour here. Starting off the day, 8 o'clock in the morning. You can see we're starting off with some sunshine. Clouds quickly filtering in now. And here's those isolated showers and thunderstorms east of 77 and points south. Not expecting anything severe. Western areas, northwestern spots, and along the you're looking like a dry day. And then everybody enjoying a nice evening. Then as we get into early Friday morning, could hear a rumble or thunder too as we into 3, 4, 5 a.m. By 7 o'clock out of here, you'll need your sunglasses the first part of the day on Friday. Clouds thickening up through the afternoon, and then showers and thunderstorms starting to form ahead of a cold front. That cold front will swing in during the evening. We could have a few strong to severe storms that day, so we'll be watching out for that damaging winds, hail probability there. Saturday into Sunday, it is out of here tomorrow, 2 feet or less again. So perfect day to be out on our gorgeous gem just to the north of us. 70 degrees water temperature, so a little bit cool if you want to take a dip. 82. The high today, which is right around where we should be for this time of year. Our normal high, 83. Sunset this evening should be a gorgeous one with those high wispy clouds. Be sure to send me your pictures, tips at fox8.com. I'll be sure to share some of those with you at 10 o'clock. 79 degrees in Cleveland right now. It is 85 in Columbus, 81 in Toledo. How about 83 in Indianapolis? You can tell all across the region we are in the 80s. So these 80s not going anywhere anytime soon until the weekend. I'll have that forecast for you in just a second. But here's a look at your 8-hour forecast. Gorgeous evening on tap for us. A mix of sun and clouds right now. Temperatures dropping in the lower 70s, 9, 10 o'clock. I'd say turn off the AC and open up your windows, but unfortunately the humidity back, so it is a little sticky out there. Temperatures in the upper 60s by 2 a.m. We're headed into the low and mid 60s tonight. So yes, cooler, but muggy. High pressure just to the north and east of us. That's going to continue to move to the east. As it does, it's allowing the clouds to filter back into our area. We do have some scattered showers and thunderstorms thunderstorms along the stationary front, but the key word, stationary. It's been sitting there the last 2 days, keeping the rain away from us. You notice these showers and thunderstorms that are forming out towards Wisconsin, now getting ready to move into Metro Chicago, all the way down to St. Louis. This is our next system. It is a cold front that'll be pushing in for us Friday evening. So that's going to be our best shot of seeing some showers and thunderstorms. Right now we are quiet though, just those high wispy clouds across our area, but no rain falling from those clouds. We'll start off tomorrow with some sunshine. Watch out for some patchy fog in some locales. Not expecting anything dense, but it could be around. The shower and thunderstorm activity mainly to the south of us, but I can't rule out a few renegade showers and thunderstorms east of 77 and point south, let's say south of Interstate 70 between a window of 2 and 4 o'clock in the afternoon. That by 5 afternoon commute, those areas will be dry and we'll be enjoying another gorgeous evening tomorrow. Then as we head into Friday night, maybe a few rumbles of thunder here in our extreme western areas. That's gone. Starting off your Friday with sunshine. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. I'll tell you, it's going to be a hot one. Showers and thunderstorms starting to blossom before this cold front gets here after noon, and there is the slight risk of severe, actually we're in the marginal threat here for some severe or stronger thunderstorms. The primary threat would be damaging winds. So through night tonight, temperature down to 62 degrees. Looking at a partly cloudy sky, muggy, patchy fog around 63. I'm sorry, our low was 62 this morning. 7 o'clock in the morning, you wake up to some sunshine, but clouds win out through the afternoon. Temperatures in the mid 80s. It will be a humid afternoon. Winds light and variable. And then here's a quick look at your 8-day forecast. We will see some showers and thunderstorms around that time, but it'll be out so you can enjoy your weekend. Here's a look at your 8-hour forecast. Temperatures dipping down into the low 70s just before midnight. Very, I don't want to say comfortable because it still is a little muggy out there, but these temperatures quite nice. We're in the upper 60s as we head towards the middle portion of your night, and then early morning hours we're dropping down into the low 60s. We did reach a high of 82 degrees almost at our normal 83. Sunset this evening is at 9:04. And if you notice, all across the region, we have 80 in Toledo, 85 in Pittsburgh, low 80s in Columbus, same with Indianapolis. We're not breaking free of these 80s, at least for the next couple of days. Our next cooler shut will come the weekend. Here's a look at high pressure right now. This is our system that has kept us dry for the 4th of July. Unfortunately, as it slips to the east, it's allowing for high clouds to move into our region. Stationary front just to the south of us, and then a cold front starting to form here over towards Chicago and St. Louis. That is going to eventually push in our direction, and that's our main weather maker as we head into Friday. So right now, nothing falling from these clouds. It's going to be a quiet evening. Very nice to sit out on a patio. A little muggy tonight and tomorrow, but we'll talk more about that in just a second. Tomorrow, we'll take you hour by hour. Starting off at 7 in the morning, you might need your sunglasses, but clouds will quickly fill in. That clouds will win out through the afternoon. There is a chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm, mainly points east and south. It's about a 20% chance, so not everybody getting wet. In fact, I do expect lakeshore communities and points west to be dry throughout the day. And then another gorgeous evening. It's a short window here between noon and 4 o'clock for these showers and thunderstorms. Gorgeous evening Thursday evening, but then as we head into Thursday night, could have a rumble of thunder or two here in our western communities as a weak disturbance moves in, but it's gone by the morning commute. We're looking dry. You'll need some sunshine. By the afternoon, though, you'll notice the clouds start to bubble up, and with that, showers and thunderstorms starting to form. Possibly some clusters or some little lines here that's going to be pushing through the late afternoon into the evening. And with that, with the cold front, we could possibly have some severe storms turning strong, possibly severe. We're under a marginal risk right now all across northeast Ohio. What does that mean? There's an isolated shot of one of the stronger storms, and damaging winds the primary threat. Tonight, we don't even have to worry about that whatsoever. In fact, it's going to be a quiet night tonight. Keep those windows shut because it's definitely muggy. 63 degrees. Watch out for patchy fog early tomorrow morning. Clouds winning out through the afternoon tomorrow. 85 degrees. Can't rule out one of those isolated showers or thunderstorms east and south. Otherwise, light and variable winds. Not a bad summer afternoon. The humidity, though, you'll really notice it start to increase too. Out on our waters, 2 feet or less tomorrow. Water temperature coming in at 70 degrees. After these showers and thunderstorms on Friday, your weekend looking beautiful. Lots of sunshine, pleasant temperatures. Low 70s on Saturday, upper 70s on Sunday, and then more wet weather on tap for us as we head into Monday and Tuesday. Listen, Bill. Sunset this evening out over our lake. And you know what? Thank you for sending in those shots to me. There were a couple beautiful ones that you sent me. Today we did reach 82 degrees and a normal high 83, so just shy of it. Sunset this evening was at 9:04. I do expect us to be back into the 80s tomorrow afternoon. Right now it is rather pleasant out there. 74 in Cleveland, 68 in Lorain, 70 in Worcester, 71 Akron, Canton, and upper 60s in Ashtabula. I do expect temperatures to drop down in the low 60s, so yes, a cooler night, but unfortunately it's a little humid out there. You'll notice the humidity increasing as we get into your day tomorrow. Right now, dew point temperatures in the low 60s. That you can tell it's a little sticky when it's in the upper 60s to low 70s, which I expect as we head into Friday. That's when it gets a little oppressive or more of that tropical feel. Right now on Storm Fox, though, nothing going on. Believe it or not, this little cell that you see to the north of Lake County, that's picked up on the bugs. Same out in the western basin of Lake Erie. So don't be fooled. We are dry right now. We're just seeing a lot of cloud cover out there. Some high thin clouds away from the lake, mainly clear near the lake. Showers and thunderstorms, though, along a stationary front just to the south of us. What I'm watching out towards Chicago and St. Louis, eventually this low and cold front will start to curl into our area on Friday. That's going to be our next best shot of seeing some showers and thunderstorms. In the meantime, high pressure holding on for a little bit longer as it continues to work its way to the east. You'll notice that we'll have more in the way of cloud cover tomorrow, and there is a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. I'll show you where here in a second. 8 o'clock in the morning, starting off with some sunshine. Grab those sunglasses. Way outdoor. However, you won't need them by the afternoon. Clouds will roll out by noon, and then mainly east of 77 and points south here. That's the risk of some showers and storms. It's a short window between noon and I'd say 4 or 5 o'clock. By 5 o'clock in our extreme southeastern communities down towards southeastern Stark County into Columbiana and Mahoning County before finally things wrapping up. Those along the lake and western areas, you're going to see a dry day, so not a problem. We're actually clearing out Thursday evening. It's going to be a beautiful one. Again, a gorgeous sunset. And then Friday, we turn our attention to a cold front. Note the first part of your day looking dry with some sunshine. It's after 3 o'clock. Showers and thunderstorms start to pop. Some of these storms could turn severe or strong nature, or severe risk on Friday, marginal. What does that mean? It means there is the isolated threat of those severe storms. 63 degrees, partly cloudy, areas of fog tonight. Tomorrow, 85, definitely warm and humid. That's why there's the threat of some isolated pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Beautiful on the lake, though, foot or less. Water temperature coming in at 70. Here's a look at your extended forecast.